Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike. It's Christmas again. Got a package came in the mail. It says T-Mike Vintage Outboards right on the front here. Let's see who that's from. I think it's a mail-in repair. Let's see, it's a carburetor. It's a 9.5 carburetor. Let's see who that could be. Oh, it's that's the return shipping label. It's Nolan from Michigan. It's a Johnson 9.5 MQ13B. He wants ooh, you sent me a little money. That'll work. Alright, so carburetor looks really good shape. I see the drain plug is missing. He sent me a message. I got plenty of those. Alright. Got kind of a varnish smell to it. Probably needs to be cleaned. But what we're going to do, I'm going to take it outside and put it on my test motor. He paid for a rebuild, $150 is what it is for a carburetor rebuild. So I'm going to put a carb kit and rebuild it anyway, but I just want to see. I'm going to take it out and put it on my test motor 9.5, see if it runs. Then we'll bring it inside and rebuild it. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Well, I got Nolan's. See the N on there? That's Nolan's carburetor. I got it on this motor and it runs perfect. I mean, it runs great. But I'm still going to take it inside and do a carb job on it because he paid for a rebuild. So let's take her back inside. Okay, here's Nolan's carb. You see the N on it. Let's take it all apart and clean it. Oh, there it is. Nolan's carburetor. Ran good before I cleaned it. I cleaned it and rebuilt it. It runs good again. Gonna ship it out to Nolan tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore the vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.